incoming blessings and abundance for you, which are well deserved. The universe is going to repay everything that you have worked so hard for. You know, you've worked diligently behind the scenes, on yourself, at work, on your projects, and the universe is going to bless you. I'm hearing for some of you in front of all your enemies. And it's not just about being blessed in front of your enemies. It's about, you know, being appreciated for your hard work. You know, you are carrying out Spirit's work, or God, or whoever you believe in. You know, you are a channel for Source. You are spreading light. You are spreading love. You are uplifting. You are inspiring. You are empowering. You are a leader. And you will be blessed so abundantly. And I'm hearing that it's well overdue, because for some of you, you've been working so hard and you have not gained any blessings from what you have been doing. And some of you, I can hear you saying, I'm not doing it for the praise. And that's fine, but what you have put in to your work, you shall reap the reward. Some of you can gain these blessings, or you have gained these blessings already, or these incoming blessings may come on the 6th month, which we just passed, 6th day of any month, Taurus season, Libra season. So we're talking about May, April, October, January, February, August, July is what's coming up here. For some of you, this blessing could be money. It could be, you know, gift cards for some of you. You could win an award. You could win a certificate, or you can gain a certificate. You can gain a scholarship is what I'm hearing for some of you. You can gain a medal. Whatever it is that you gain, you really, really do deserve, because you've worked so diligently behind the scenes. Some of you have sacrificed a lot, sacrificing possibly going out with friends, maybe even spending time with family. I'm hearing some of you are going to be put on the map. There's something about being put on the map. You're going to be seen as the standard. You're going to be seen as the one to watch. You're going to be seen as a great leader, as the best at what you do in whatever field you are in. You know, some of you will gain a windfall of money. Some of you may gain some type of leadership position, supervising role is what I'm picking up. Your level of work is exceptional. You are exceptional. You are valued. And the more you value yourself, the more you put into whatever it is that you do. And expect for some of you a pay rise, some type of promotion, bonus is what I'm picking up. This definitely has something to do with your work and your romantic life. I'm hearing that some of you are upgrading romantically. You will be a husband or wife magnet if that's what you want. No more F-boys. Like, the caliber of partners that you will attract from here on after will be exceptional. You will be meeting your match. You are ready now, because maybe before you were working on yourself. Maybe you were still in touch with ex-partners that were blocking you from meeting potential love suitors. Maybe you were in a cycle of just attracting the same type of partners because there was something within you that needed to heal. So it was like a spirit was traveling through different people. You were met with the same people, or you were met with the same spirit, I should say, but through different people. Now you will not connect with the same types that you used to connect with before. You know, the types that you're going to connect with are going to be individuals that are serious, individuals that will want to spend time with you, will want to build with you, will want to settle down with you. Individuals who are equally as ambitious as you. They will not get jealous of your career, of your, I'm hearing fame for some of you, of your success. They will be encouraging you. They'll be inspiring you. They'll be your cheerleader. They will want to actually win with you. So you could go into business with a partner, or you could date somebody that has a lot of business knowledge that can help you. And it's going to come like a breath of fresh air. Like, wow, I'm learning something new from this individual. You know, this is a type of energy whereby you will both teach each other. There will be a lot of loyalty, a lot of trust, a lot of banter, you know, because this person could also come up like a best friend, you know, but someone who will be supportive of your goals because they have their own goals also. Someone that's not going to be possessive and accuse you of doing things when you don't see them, because they're going to be on their own path, focusing on their own hobbies. Someone that has the same morals and values as you, has the same outlook in life as you in regards to how to be in relationships. Obviously, non-negotiable should be discussed first and foremostly. You're not going to be exactly alike, but morally you'll be aligned when it comes to things like loyalty, trust. This person's responsible. This is someone that you can actually settle down with. Your working life is going to be in the spotlight. You will be praised for your, I'm hearing immaculate. So there could be some type of presentation that you have produced, and you will be collaborating with business partners that feel like, you know, past life soulmates in some regard. People that are on the same page as you. Your environment will be friendly. It will be fair. And this could be for some of you if you're going into a new working environment. You know, this is a type of environment whereby you will feel like you are connecting with your soul tribe, having the same outlook in life as you, the same work ethic as you, as well as, you know, there being a sense of harmony, balance, and safety within your work environment. This is for a new job as well. Some of you could get into a romantic relationship with a colleague, though, is what I'm picking up. Or you could just find closeness with a colleague. Or some of you could go into business with a spouse. Some of you are going to be getting married also. I feel in regards to your romantic relationships, you will feel a sense of having good karma after some type of turbulence and bad karma that you may have experienced. Because you are working through your fears, because you are purging, you have opened the gateway for blessings. Having more boundaries as well, because some of you have locked, I'm hearing locked out of heaven. So some people may feel like they've been locked out of heaven in regards to you. So some of you have created boundaries, and by doing so, you will invite more blessings into your life, because maybe whoever you create boundaries with, I'm hearing were dream snatchers. They were a blockage to your abundance. So being more assertive will do you well. overcoming some type of spiritual attack. You know, maybe there were people that were trying to rival you so that you don't gain this abundance. These are the types of people or person that you have had boundaries with. And you will overcome whatever blockages that they try to put in your way. You've reached the completion. You know, you're going into a cycle of abundance. Some of you will gain fame. Some of you could blow up on social media. There is a lot of, you know, I'm hearing for some of you, right? I'm surprised I ain't got the word of fortune, but for some of you, there could be a windfall of money that comes in unexpectedly, or you could gain a massive payout from an insurance company or something, or a divorce. You know, you can gain some type of promotion, or you go into a new job, it pays you triple the amount from your last job, and it's going to allow you to travel. So you could start traveling to exotic lands, places that you always wanted to go to, but at the time you felt like you didn't have enough. You will have enough. You know, this is the world card. The world card talks about reaching completion. So the things that you wanted, this is talking about your manifestations coming to fruition. Because every day you took daily steps, or Spirit is telling you, every day take daily steps towards your goals. Some of you acted as if, some of you made a plan, made a manifestation list, and worked towards your goals. This is why you are being blessed also, because anything out of alignment from your goals had to go away, had to be boundaried. You know, you kept your boundaries, whether that was people, whether that was thought patterns. You know, you stayed on the straight and narrow, and that's why Spirit's going to bless you abundantly. And for some of you, for all eyes to see, you will be blessed in front of your enemies as well. And I feel for some of you, you've been working on this goal, working on something for over 10 years, and you're going to reap the rewards. I'm honestly feeling that with the world card. It can't get any better than that. The world card talks about major success, major completion. Like, I finally did it. Some of you will complete like a master's program, a doctorate, a PhD, you know, a college course. I'm hearing certifications. I'm hearing travel. I'm hearing gaining accolades from overseas in whatever business company you work for, gaining worldly recognition, gaining recognition for your city, your town, you know, your region. People will know your name. People will understand and know the levels of the power that you carry, because you're a heavyweight. And this is about not just gaining recognition for the sake of it, gaining recognition for your skills and talents, which will then open up new doors for you. Major business opportunities is what I'm picking up. You are called not to take any shortcuts though. And you are also called to make room and time for play, for fun. You know, going outdoors, spending time with a partner, you know, being open to dating people. Have a healthy balance of socializing as well as working. Some of you work in the creative field. Some of you work in the technology field. And you may invent something that is original, something that's before its time. Your hard work is going to pay off. You're going to be well respected, well sought after. People are going to start looking at you in the new light. I'm hearing entrepreneur. If you work for a company, people will be looking at you differently. Like, you're going to carry a different energy. And the thing is, you always had this energy, but people will see and people will feel like they are in the presence of greatness. You know, you may get hangers on as well, but on the real, I feel like your life is going to change for the better. You know, you're going to take a look around one day and think to yourself, I prayed for this. And you deserve it. Whatever it is that you're going to get, whatever it is that you've got now, you deserve it. So yeah, keep pouring into you. Keep being the amazing you. Keep a healthy balance of working but also resting. And some of you are going to get enough so that you can take a regular holiday so that you can rest. Your life is going to change because you're elevating. Your circle's going to change. I'm hearing Rihanna. Something, what did she say? Something about it's getting lonely at the top. And what does Beyonce say in Diva? There's no passengers on her plane. So yeah, your circle may change. Your circle may get a bit smaller. You know, because you may be cycling out certain people that don't fit in this new cycle. And not in a detrimental way. Not in a conceited way. You'll be taking a look at, you know, who has been adding stress into your life. Who is in alignment with you in regards to your career, in regards to your goals. Who doesn't need to be there. You will be subtracting, shifting and changing. And you will remain focused. And because of this focus, you will receive the blessing that you so desire and that you so deserve. I'm here for some of you. You're going to make people believe in magic. You are going to be the living embodiment of, you know, like Michael Jackson, he created Neverland. I'm sure when he told people about that idea, they thought he was crazy. But you're going to create something. You're going to bring something into life. You're going to achieve something. Your life is going to go a certain way whereby people will feel like you are magic. Like, how did you create all of this? How did you do it? And it's because of your self-belief, your faith, your trust in yourself, having that confidence within yourself when no one else believed in you. You have to become your own cheerleader. It's nothing too big that you can't achieve. You just have to believe. So congratulations in advance. I'm proud of you. Keep winning, keep striving, keep becoming the better version of you. You or the people of the signs mentioned in this reading could be Taurus, Libra, Capricorn, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius. Aquarius again, Taurus, Scorpio, Leo. Leo again, Aquarius, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith.